Welcome to Periodic Castle with Jumpy Juveria.
Alright, Jumpy. Today we are jumping to another column in our periodic castle, which is the alkaline earth metal. Last time we were talking about alkaline metals, and this is a special group of reactive metals that earlier they were only called as earth, and it was a nice name, earth. But then, because they are alkali producing, there is acid producing and alkali producing. We'll do about all the pH and everything. They got its name, and all alkaline earth metals were first purified very early back in the 19th century. Now, no, they were all over the world. Actually, one of the origin of periodic table is old, very old, dating back to Greek time. Earlier Greek used to believe that the entire earth, the whole world we live in, is made of just four elements: earth, water, fire, and air. Even now, in our old scriptures, even in Vedas, we mention about earth, water, fire, and air. But there was a scientist, his name was Empedocles. Empedocles said, no, the elements have lots of structures. And then they came upon different elements from the Egyptians to the Europeans and the Arabs, and they gave one element each. Yeah, tell me.
Elements is everywhere, even in your food and all.
Yes, you have. There is one that is also definitely in our food, is magnesium. All right. So what are we going to learn about magnesium that we don't know about?
And it's numbers 12.
How do you know about numbers 12? The atomic number for magnesium is 12. But how do you know that? Yeah?
Huh?
How do you know it's 12?
By looking at the periodic table.
Okay. So what we can do, no?
See any element, by we should remember the atomic number, and you should remember this.
Okay. So we will learn about 12.
Letters.
Alright. So magnesium is actually green in color, and they are found, like in deep earth, underground earth. And magnesium was named after a Greek word called magnesia. And because magnesium also include an element called serpentine. Now serpentine is a crust where you have this whole snake like thing. Now think of one as a stick. Of magnesium is the same word as Moses, Musa, right? So Musa and serpentine.
Why magnesium is not Ma and not Mg?
Good. So Ma, if you put, then it is confusing. So they put it Mg, Meg. You'll see the way the elements are named in their keyword or the atomic symbol is the way you're pronouncing it, not the way you read it. So Meg. You see magnesia. So Mg. Mg is easy to remember, isn't it? And think of magnesia as Musa, and Musa has a stick, so that is 1, and snake is like 2. So the atomic number is 1 and 2. What is that? 12. Okay. Where do you use magnesium in? You use magnesium in so many places, including car wheels and cameras. You see the car alloy, outside cover of the car, the plate that you see, this one, when our car is, it is strong and shiny. It is made of magnesium alloy. And you have the camera, the digital camera. The magnesium gives the body, which makes it very lightweight and does not rust. What is rusting?
Rusting means getting ruined.
Getting removed. When you expose a metal to oxygen takes away all the metal's purity, and that is called rusting. By the way, if you have stomach problems, lot of pani puris that you ate, you should drink milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia, milk of magnesia also comes in bottles, very popular. All of these elements, they are in nature, they are found in crystal form like rocks. Pure magnesium is almost like greenish and grayish in color. And milk of magnesia is a special, medicine you can drink for all the digestion problem in your stomach. By the way, magnesium is also used to make talcum powder, the one you apply on your skin, and also used to make cement. So magnesium is used in so many areas. Some of the things that we understand is this is such an important metal. I'll tell you something important about magnesium in a plant, in chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll?
It's also an element.
No, chlorophyll is the pigment that gives the plant its green color. So at the center,
And-
yes.
If there is no chlorophyll in the leaf, so the leaf cannot make the food.
And what is that process called? Yes, wonderful, photosynthesis. And the most important element used to make photosynthesis is our friend magnesium. So at the center atom is a magnesium which converts sunlight into energy into a process called photosynthesis. So you see how important magnesium is. Wow, I never knew magnesium is so important. Quick questions. Magnesium's atomic number,
12
and what is what we remember?
mg.
Mg. And
M is 1
okay.
and G is 12.
Okay, no. Mg is just one letter, one symbol, and magnesium has 22 isotopes. Don't worry about isotopes. Some other time I'll tell you what a story of isotope is. Until then, think of your elements in the periodic castle, and we'll come up with more and more.